Good morning, friends. I am Dr. D.V. Ramanamurthy, PhD in Management, Founder Director, Attitude Positive Behavior Management Training Solutions, Hyderabad. Formerly Professor in Management and Dean. Welcome you, friends, to my high impact channel on behavioral insights and management concepts. Mano Vijnanam, Dr. D.V. Ramanamurthy, PhD Official, powered by Ramadevi Foundation, Hyderabad. Hope you have enjoyed my earlier video on Beginner's Guide to ChatGPT. In this video, too, we will uncover certain prompt engineering secrets. It's the skill to use ChatGPT, how to interact with ChatGPT for your efficient results and output. We welcome you to the discussion on what is prompt engineering for beginners. The person who asks better questions wins. Artificial intelligence is very powerful. But here is the truth. AI is the only as smart as the instructions you give it. The difference between an average result and an extraordinary result is not the tool. It is the prompt. Prompt engineering is the new digital superpower. The person who learns how to command AI clearly, strategically, and intelligently will always stay ahead. Today, we uncover the secrets of mastering AI before it masters you. Master AI before it masters you. AI becomes powerful based on your instructions. AI does not think independently. It becomes intelligent based on your instructions. The quality of your instruction determines the quality of your result. Let's see what's prompt versus question. Question seeks information. Prompt gives direction. A question seeks information. A prompt gives structured direction. When using AI, you are not just asking, you are designing instructions. What's then prompt engineering? Prompt engineering is equal to strategic design of instructions to produce accurate, structured, and high quality output. Prompt engineering is the art of giving structured, intelligent instructions to AI. It is not coding, it is disciplined thinking. Why most people get average results while using AI tool? This is because of vague input and no context and no format and no clarity. So it simply means garbage in and garbage out. AI mirrors your clarity. Vague prompts produce vague results. Clear prompts produce strategic output. Let's look at in detail the 5 pillars framework. The 5 pillars are 1. Role, 2. The context, 3. The task, 4. The constraints, and 5. The format. First is that you need to assign a role. Say, for example, think like a researcher, you please give me this input. You are assigning a role there. Provide a context. In which context you are asking this particular question. For example, I want to present a presentation in a training program of the given set of people who are working in. So this is providing the context in which you want to have the output. Define the task clearly. Is it what you want actually? The flow of thought or stepwise, what do you call step one, step two, step three? What do you exactly want? Define the task clearly. And then if you want to add constraints like tone or word limit, for example, you may say that I want a professional tone. I want an emotional tone, for example. And also you have to tell the word limit, like it can be only 1000 words or 500 words. I want to have this content. Then specify a format in which you want to have it. Is it a research report or a conversation or a training program guide or whatever it is? So these 5 pillars transform output quality. So let's look at what's the weak prompt versus a powerful prompt. Look at a weak prompt example. Write a LinkedIn post about AI. See this, there is no context, there is no a tone, there is nothing, no clarity. The AI is getting confused over. So what happens here? You can see it is too generic, no target audience, no tone defined, no length clarity, and no structure. And as such, there is average predictable output that AI tool can give. So now apply the 5 pillars now. Let's see how a structured prompt using 5 pillars work miracles in getting the required content. Look at here. Look at giving a role and then follow-up steps. You are a senior AI strategy consultant. Write a LinkedIn post for business leaders who are unsure about adopting AI. So look at this. When you're giving a role, you are a senior AI strategy consultant. You're giving a role for the AI tool. And write a LinkedIn post for whom? For target audience, business leaders. And again, please give the clarity. Who are unsure about adopting AI. They are not sure about it, confused. Look at the prompt. I mean, ingredients of the prompt when you take up the 5 pillars process. And then explain why AI is competitive advantage in a simple language. And keep it under 200 words. Use a persuasive but professional tone. End with a thought-provoking question. Format it in short paragraphs suitable for LinkedIn. See this beautiful prompt, the way in which you're asking. In the earlier one, very wrong prompt, you just asked about a LinkedIn post, draft for a LinkedIn post. Here are the now application of 5 pillars approach in asking AI tool. This is called the right prompt, a structured prompt that can give us the desired output. Look at this difference I have already told you. The first prompt is very vague. The second prompt is strategic. We assigned a role, that is AI strategy consultant. We defined the target audience. These are business leaders. We clarified the task. The task is explain competitive advantage for using AI tool. We added constraints. The constraints are asking AI to limit the content for 200 words. And the tone also is asked here, a professional tone. And we specified the format. The format is short LinkedIn style paragraphs. Now the AI knows exactly what excellence look like. It understands your prompt step by step with some sort of clarity, and accordingly will give you the excellent output content. So why this changes everything? What is there in asking the prompt like this? Yes. What improved? See, the content will definitely align with target audience. So target audience alignment will be there. And clear strategic angle you have given. And controlled length, like it will definitely not more than 200 words. And defined tone, a professional tone or emotional tone or ordinary language, whatever. And then proper formatting. You're asking for a LinkedIn post, not a research report or whatever. And the result is AI will give you higher quality, more relevant, and more impact making content. Friends, please note. So, prompt engineering is not about typing more words, it's about thinking clearly before you type. When you define the role, context, task, constraints, and format, you remove ambiguity and give necessary clarity for AI tool to understand your prompt. And when you remove ambiguity, AI performs at its highest level of its performance. This is the difference between using AI casually and mastering it very professionally. Look at some advanced prompt techniques. Think step by step. Give counter arguments. Act as critic. Simplify, expand, convert into another what you call idea, whatever, and giving a clear format. You can deepen AI reasoning by guiding it further. For example, you may ask it to critique, not criticism, but critique, critical analysis of a thing. It can go good, but you have to ask like this to critique. Ask it to simplify. For example, you have given a complex paragraph or complex content, and give the complex content and ask it to simplify. It will give you the result. Ask it to analyze step by step. When you are given a research report result and you want some analysis, ask it to analyze step by step. This is the way where you are supposed to give prompts. This turns AI into a thinking partner. So let's look at some real life applications. This AI tool with excellent prompt engineering excellence will give you the extra advantage. It is one of the best tools, mind it, for trainers, for students, for researchers, for content creators, and for business leaders as well. Prompt engineering applies across domains. It can be any domain in which you're working. But only thing is you should have the skill of writing good prompts before it is being loaded or given to an AI tool. Trainers can design modules, training module. For example, I want to conduct a training program on stress management. I want some training design modules. In 2, 3 modules, I want to work out. So if you ask it to give the training design module, it will give you the details. Researchers can structure analysis. If you're working out on data, you want analysis of the particular data. Structure the prompts accordingly so that the researchers can structure analysis in report writing. Leaders can refine strategies, meaning that any business strategy, if you want to have, feed it and ask it to refine the strategy. And further clarifications ought to be given in terms of prompts to AI tool so that you will get the refined strategies, alternative A, B, C for any business problem. So prompt engineering is a leadership skill. Please note that better prompts lead to better thinking lead to better decisions lead to better leadership. So prompt engineering is not about AI alone. It strengthens your clarity, structure, and communication when you practice writing down the prompts. And that's what practice of prompt engineering. In that sense, it is a leadership discipline. Control the prompt and control the future. AI responds to clarity, friends. AI rewards precision. Don't get unnecessarily confused and confuse AI tool. Please specialize in prompt engineering and providing clarity with some sort of precision. AI amplifies intelligence. It gives you more intelligent output. Only thing is you should be extra cautious on prompt engineering. What is to be asked to AI tool and with how clarity you need to ask it. The future belongs to skilled prompt engineers. So master the instruction and how to instruct AI tool. The skills of instructing AI tool with some sort of clarity is the essence of prompt engineering. And actually, you will be mastering the outcome. Artificial intelligence is not taking control. It is waiting for your very clear instructions. The world will not be divided between humans and machines. It will be divided between those who know how to prompt and those who do not. Prompt engineering is not just a technical skill, friends. It's a strategic thinking. It is structured communication. It is leadership in the AI age. If you control the prompt, you control the output. And if you control the output, you control your future. So friends, please master prompt engineering, the art and science of asking questions to AI tool in order to get the excellent output. If this session, video 2, added value to you, share it with someone who must learn AI today and prompt engineering today. Please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Manovijnanam, Dr. D.V. Ramanamurthy, PhD official. Friends, AI literacy is no longer optional. It is very essential. Thank you for watching. See you with another insightful video. Until then, take care and keep smiling. Good luck.